Alright guys, welcome back. This is pretty early for me. It's 9:40, market just opened 10 minutes ago. You guys might hear my daughter in the background. So sorry about that. She's a little wild one. So this thing has been opening, peaking out, and then failing. I want to buy the dip. So I'm going to pause. I'll be back. I'm going to let this thing play out for probably another 15, 20 minutes. I don't want to buy before 10 o'clock, I don't think. Alright, so I'm giving it some time here. It's 10:15. And I don't have the pre-market screen on. So this is the 5-minute chart. Here's yesterday's close. Today's open was up here, 339.08. So, I don't know, this thing's tough today. Just watching it, looks like it's an overall downtrend, but I might be going long on this. But of course, if I was to get in now hoping for this candle to push up, it will probably start to fail like it usually does. Because in the morning, it seems like there's always a big fail with the SPY, like in the first hour, and then it recovers. So let's look at the 1 minute and see what's going on. Wow, this is looking, see, 338.99. So there's the whole dollar right there. It almost made that, but it just didn't quite make it to 339. So that might have been a good entry point for a put. The account's 740. I don't know if I want to use the whole amount. See, what I would like is for this thing, if you look at the 200 moving average is way down here. So I would like for this thing to pull all the way back, or at least down to here's the VWAP up here. So we're just about to break over the VWAP. Let's see what this next 5-minute candle looks like. See, on the 1 minute chart, this is moving sideways. So I need a break above. Okay, so let's move this down here. I need a break above 339. It could be a false breakout, but 339 I would get in for a 340. Or I would still buy 339 put. $10 contracts. Because if you look at this, 338.99 is resistance. So if it could break that, 96. And this is the 1 minute. Let me look at the 5 minute. I need to get another monitor so I could have both. I could divide this and do the 1 minute and the 5 minute, but it makes it too small. Just the 1 minute. 5 minute. I could play it out like that. It's almost like today would be a good day to buy puts. This line down here is an area of support that's been following all morning. Well, yesterday. Here's yesterday's. So I'm just going to pause and see what this does, and I'll come back. Alright, so we just broke 339 on the 1 minute. I want to see what the next candle does, but it's failing. It's not hold. I need it to break it, and the next candle to. See, I'd be nervous to jump in this thing right now. I'm just looking for a quick scalp. I'd like to see what the next 5 minute candle does. There it is. If that candle could hold above it, this 1 minute, but look, it's just testing the water, and then it's going back in. Well, let's try to get in right here. Well, we're in for a quick scalp. See what happens. I'm gonna be out at I think I'm gonna sell it right there. And that was it. That was a quick scalp. 10 contracts for the push over the whole dollar, 339. Because I knew once it broke this, it was gonna go up. So let's see what I made. 18 bucks. That's not bad. That's almost my daily goal, 25. I could still get into something and try to make a little bit more. Yeah, see if I just stayed in, but I'm not staying in with these contracts. See what else there is. The 340 is 21 bucks. Might be able to buy 5 of those for a quick scalp. Let's see what this thing does. Let's see what happens if it pulls back down to 339 to the dollar, and if it breaks through it or if it holds it. Because look, that's a pretty bullish candle right there. So here it comes, 339.02. Buy on the ask. Might not want to hold above that 339. I have never made money buying a put yet, so that's why I'm just staying away from them. But it would have been a perfect entry for one up here. So it is holding that. Just broke through. Yeah, it's toying right around that 339. So I'm using that as like a nice indicator for if I want to get in or not. Try to get in right here. So I'm in again for a quick scalp. Market. I don't even know what I'm in at. And this doesn't update fast enough down here. I don't know if I'm in the green. Oh, I'm in at 19. The bid's at 18. Get out right there. That should have been. No, don't tell me that I didn't make any money right there. Because I got in down here. I don't think I made anything. No, I lost money. Well, so that was a mistake. How did that contract not go up though? Now it's at 21. I don't get that. I bought it at 19, I sold at 18, but it was definitely above what I the price was higher than when I got filled. So I lost $5. It was August 19th, 340 call. See what it's at now. 340 call. Now it's at 23. So I would have made $20. Should have just held that. I could still buy 2 more if I want. 44. Sell cash. Try to get in at 22. 2 more. If it pulls back to 22. I'm just going to keep the order open because I have that much left. Man, I should have just... Nope, I missed that. Alright, whatever. Well, I'm done for the day. I'm going to cancel this. Sorry, it's not a very exciting past 2 days, but I don't know. That would have been really good if I held this. Man, 24 in the bid. It would have been $25 because there's no red candles yet. Let me know if you guys like this setup better. Man, look how right I was about this 339. I have the strategy right. And I'm learning, and I learned this all basically just from watching videos. I didn't take any courses on this. So the strategy was right for this breakout over 339, but because I've been losing money with holding these, I'm just nervous. I have to set my emotions back and just learn to see if there's a candles like this, to just wait it out a little longer, because I would have I could have made close to $50 so far, and I probably would have still held this till I saw red, which is right there. I probably would have sold it right there. Alright, well, $7.50, $12. I was up 18. I'm still up, so I'm not upset at all. It's a better day than yesterday. So $12. I went from making pennies to making dollars now on this account. And I just want to let you guys know, this is just really a test account. I'm not trying to make $1 million with this account. If I can get this to 1,000, then I'm gonna probably add more money, because I'm just showing that I can be profitable. So once I show I can be profitable, this is scalable. You can trade with $1 and make pennies. You can trade with $1,000 and make tens or hundreds of dollars, or you could trade with thousands or tens of thousands of dollars and make $1,000 a day. So this trade, what I took today, what I took yesterday, if I was to use a $25,000 account, it probably would have been a $120 day, or a $100 day yesterday, or a $75 day. So as long as I'm making money, it's all in relevance to the size of your account. Everything's scalable. The same trade will make more money with more money invested in. If I was to buy 50 contracts, I'm just buying with what I could afford for now. And if I was to blow up this account, I would be back at it. It wouldn't kill me. It's $750. It's less than a week's pay at my real job, so it's not a big deal. This isn't my full-time job. This is what I'm just doing part-time for extra income. So right now it's kind of working. I'm up $150. It took a while, but for the week I'm still down $30, and for the month I'm up $100, $104. So that's it for today. Hopefully tomorrow we'll see better trades. I have a little extra money to use, and that's gonna be it. But man, look at this. The SPYs just, look at the daily and the weekly. Here's the weekly. Here's a coronavirus drop, and then we're coming back up. Previous all-time high, 339.08. We broke that yesterday. Pre-market, yeah, we're at 339.27. Pre-market hit like 339.40 something, I think. So that's going to be it for today, and I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow.